Dear students, as we know that we are learning the chapter control and coordination, and in this we have completed central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Today we have to complete autonomous nervous system. Autonomous nervous system, it is divided into two types, sympathetic and parasympathetic. How they have divided, what for what purpose they are used in our body, that we have to see today. This ANS series is I have divided into two part, ANS part 1, ANS part 2. Okay, as we have learned these things, okay, you know very well that, okay, under the peripheral nervous system we have seen nerves, and some of the nerves, they are taking message towards the central nervous system, and they are bringing the message from central nervous system. Okay, afferent and efferent, afferent and efferent. Then the next thing that you have to see, that under autonomic nervous system, that two motions or two actions continuously performing. Which are those two actions? Which are those two actions? That is, first is voluntary action and second is involuntary action, and how it performs in our body and who is controlling that we have to see today. Okay students, then under the autonomic nervous system, see this chart, and with the help of this chart you can easily understand that autonomic nervous system, two things are coming. One is sympathetic and second one is parasympathetic. Sympathetic, it is flight or fight, and parasympathetic, it is rest and digest. That means with the help of this chart you can able to understand that one is exciting and one is that is one is increasing and one is decreasing. Okay, the speed of our body, various activities of our body, that we have to see today. Okay, ANS controls what? Glands, smooth muscles, our cardiac muscles, you know very well that. Then under the sympathetic system, just now I told that fight and flight, and parasympathetic, that rest and digest. So increasing of movements or contraction, dilation of our eye pupils, up and down. Okay, heartbeats, that sympathetic is increasing, parasympathetic decreasing. Same thing the function of lungs, same thing the functions of that is the liver, digestive system, excretory system, all the system, one is increasing, one is decreasing in this way. Then by this nerve path you will know that in this system, it one thing which will come, ganglions. Okay, ganglions, it is nothing but that two it is the, or synapse, a word will come, junction between two nerves is called as synapse. So one, that is the preganglion, is myelinated and postganglion is unmyelinated. See, one is covered and one is uncovered. Two neurons are before you. One is coming, okay, and it is making junction, and that junction it is called as autonomic ganglion. With the help of this chart also, you will understand that from where the nerves are arising, okay, in sympathetic, and from where the nerves are arising from parasympathetic. Okay. Then just now I have told one is making voluntary action and second is making involuntary action. This is the thing. Okay, one is secreting one chemical, that is name of acetylcholine, and second one is having, that is autonomic nervous system. Just now we have seen two ganglions, preganglion and postganglions. Okay, and in this way they are secreting one type of chemical. Okay, one is make what, that chemical is one, for one purpose it is exciting, and another chemical is decreasing that activity, acetylcholine nor epinephrine. In this manner they are raising the heart rate, blood vessels constrict, glucose level also increasing. Here decreasing, digestive system, expulsion of waste. Okay, and the origin of sympathetic nervous system is from thoracic lumbar region, means that we are having thorax region, and one we are having lumbar region. From the spinal cord these nerves are coming and giving connection to our body. But originating from the parasympathetic, they are coming from brain and sacral region of the spinal cord. So thoracolumbar region, and that is the sacral region, that it is called as one sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. I think everybody can see these things. Okay. At last, we have to make the difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. One is exhibiting, one is inhibiting, one is exciting, one is that excitement it is decreasing. One is increasing, one is decreasing. How sympathetic nerve? So just now I have told that is the thoracic lumbar region. This is thoracic and lumbar region, and one that the brain and sacral region. Okay, and to which they are giving connections to our body parts, and so internally our body activities they are controlling. Who? Sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, and these two systems they are coming in autonomous nervous system. Auto means self. Nobody is having control. Voluntary movements we are having control, but involuntary movement we don't have control over that. Okay students, here we will stop the part 1 of ANS. See all the slides very carefully, and then by the help in the see also the ANS part 2.